Who's this?
Yes, can you hear me okay now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Who's this?
Okay, again, sir, this is Richard from mycharitysurvey.com. We're doing a very quick marketing survey on some of UK's leading charities to gauge your charitable interest. I have only few questions are answerable by yes or no, and I promise I'll be very, very quick. Okay? Alright?
Okay, cool.
Thank you. So, sir, can I confirm that
What's
you
your
are
name?
I'm sorry?
What's your name?
Richard.
What's that? Sorry.
Richard.
Wiltshire.
Richard. Richard.
No, what's your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Richard.
Wilchard.
Yes, sir.
Wilchard.
Uh-huh.
How do you spell that?
Oh, R for Romeo, I for India, Charlie, Hotel, Alpha, and Romeo and Delta. Richard.
Richard.
Yes, sir.
Wilchard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wilchard.
No, sir. Let me spell it for you. My name is Richard. Romeo, India, Charlie, Hotel, Alpha, Romeo, Delta. Richard.
Richard.
Yes, sir.
Willchard for dog, sir.
Yes, sir. You got it.
You sound like a robot, sir.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry.
Oh, yes, sir. Is that okay, sir? We're doing a marketing survey all about charities, and it's only answerable by yes or no.
Yeah,
And I
yes,
promise
yes.
it'll be very quick.
Yeah, yes, okay, but what's your name?
My name is Richard. Can you hear me okay?
Hello?
Sorry, try to call you back some other time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me okay?
Hello, can you hear me? Oh, I hung up.